So full time you're at Carmarthen after a remarkable game, 3-3 at the full time whistle. Nev, what do you say about that ending?
Obviously we're desperately disappointed, aren't we? That shouldn't happen. It shouldn't happen, and as you say, we've switched off. Even when it was 3-2, we had a chance to keep it in the corner, and we haven't done. And they've come and scored, and they could have scored again. Which 3 minutes to go, you look and you think the game's over. It's done with. We've done enough second half to win the game, and we haven't seen it out. And as you say, we're desperately disappointed at the minute.
Under the positive notes, Declan Walker hat-trick from right back. Can't often say that.
He's the best player on the pitch again, Declan. He has been all season, hasn't he? So it's desperately disappointing for him to score a hat-trick and not being on the winning team. And it meant so much to us. Them 3 points would have virtually guaranteed we were safe. But we're back in the mix now, and the players have got to stand up and be counted. And as you say, that shouldn't happen, and we should be bigger and stronger than that. And it's been desperately disappointing finish to a game where we've played well enough to win.
And the only positive, one of the big positives you take from this is that we've got a chance for revenge next week, Welsh Cup.
Yeah, Welsh Cup will be a different game. Obviously they've got a few lads suspended, cup tied, but it'll still be a tough game as it was today. And we've got to make sure we defend better than that. And first half of 20 minutes tonight, we were in control of the game, and all of a sudden we give them a goal where we give them a silly free kick away, and we don't defend it properly. It's 1-1, and it lifts them, and they come back into the ascendancy, and made it tough for us up to half time. But we went out second half, and we killed the game, and to let them back in there is criminal. We got to, players have got to be responsible and make sure we don't concede, and we couldn't do it.
Nev, thanks for your time, appreciate it.